This is like my new favorite wig going into 2025. 10 out of 10. I can highly recommend. Hey love bugs, today I've teamed up with Nadula and they sent me over this beautiful wig. You're gonna see how I install this frontal style hair and then even do this beautiful classic updo. This here is a lace front wig that comes with the pre-cut bangs. They also set it off with a nice curtain bang vibe and then beautiful bouncy fluffy loose curls. Again, I'm gonna be doing a little bit of a hot tool style, so you'll see me curl it up and touch up the curls and do the updo as well. The beautiful thing about this wig is that it's very versatile. You can wear it down with the curtain bangs and the bangs in front and the beautiful loose curls, and you can flip it up into the updo. And if that wasn't enough, they give you this really cool Velcro roller. It literally comes installed in the wig really nicely, so when you put her on, you can literally let the curl go, and it has the perfect bump. Okay, love bugs, before we get into it, I'm gonna let the claw clip out and show you guys how gorgeous this one is. As I mentioned, this is a beautiful frontal wig and it comes with that nice layer and curtain bang. It came with soft loose curls, which you'll see me play with in just a moment. This is the perfect way to start 2025. It's giving grown and sexy, and again, nice and versatile. The hair is soft and fluffy. Yeah, without further ado, let's get right into the video. Bugs. So Nadula Hair has this viral hairstyle, this wig that I'm going to be installing for you guys. So this one here is a 13x4 pre-everything lace wig and it is 20 inches in length. And as you guys can see, there is a roller because this is a pre-everything wig, and including, or the icing on the cake is not only is it pre-everything, it is pre-styled with that beautiful bang. So this is the hair or the wig straight out of the box. I'm 100% certain I'm going to have to go in and restyle these curls, but just in case, we can go ahead and add a little bit of holding spray. These are the beautiful 24 inches of curls with all that beautiful luster and bounce. You guys can see inside they did already add that wig tape, that ear tape that I showed you just a moment. They already added 2 strips to the wig, so that's going to work out perfect. Here is the nape. You do have your straps and you have that gummy technology and a comb. And then here you do have your adjustable and removable elastic band. I can go ahead and adjust mine a little bit now. This is a pre-everything wig and it is a frontal, so you guys can see you have ear to ear parting. The knots are pre-bleached, as you guys can see. The hairline is pre-plucked, and then the knots, as you guys can see, are gorgeously pre-bleached. The hairline, or the lace at the hairline, also has that really nice scallop pre-cut. Let's go ahead and remove the turban and go ahead and put her on and see, you know, what we're working with. Okay, so this is what she looks like on, and I can already tell we're gonna be catching a vibe with this one. So this is what she looks like from the back. Nice and full and gorgeous. And then this is what she looks like from the front. So as I mentioned, you do have that center part here. I want to show you guys that because it really does look like scalp. Okay, look at how beautiful the hair looks. As I mentioned, I would honestly rock it like this. If you need to, you can go ahead and just like tint the lace, but I want to go ahead and just add a few curls. Nothing too crazy, so I'm going to go in with a big barrel because the end result is going to be like a cute little simple messy updo. But again, I want to initiate the curls before we even get there. So enjoy some music while I go in and curl this hair to perfection. Okay, so we went ahead and finished the curls. They came out absolutely perfect. I got this cool retro comb. It gives so much of my mom. It reminds me. Now this side did take me a lot longer to curl. I think I took a lot more time, honestly. But look at how beautiful that is. I feel like if I start being petty and touching things up, I'll be here forever, so I don't want to do that. But I do kind of have the urge to redo this one. Look at how beautiful that is. I feel like the purpose of this one is for it to kind of sort of like live in your face. She is gorgeous. This is the perfect like bombshell look, but this is the look. I absolutely love it. I'm definitely gonna go ahead and keep this one on for the weekend. I know that I'm probably gonna be taking it on and off just to make it easier. Bring you in close because we're gonna do a quick little updo. I'm just gonna take the curtain bang area like so and like so, and you can literally take a little bit or a lot. It truly is up to you. I think that looks good. I do have an extra clip in here because I know this will fall. It's definitely giving glamour girl. I love this look. This will forever be like a really nice, beautiful, classic way to go. You're going to a formal event, you're going to the pool, you're in Vegas, and you just want a little bikini with a little cover up. I mean, literally anything you do, I can find a way to make this look good night or day. And she's a beauty. She's absolutely perfect. Okay, love bugs, I am completely done with this video hanging out, and I was about to pull the hair back and I realized like how versatile this one truly is. Now the curls have dropped a bit, but it's okay. I started to pull the hair back and I literally just went, and I love the way it looked. I also love the way everything fell. I have a little bit of a rubber band here, and I'm not even gonna, I can't really see, so if it's not perfect, it's not perfect, but I'm gonna do like a half a puff down and just kind of like push it through twice. And look at how pretty this looks. This one just gives. This is the vibes. And then you bring the hairs forward to accentuate that curtain bang. If this is too much, you can go ahead and push that back through like that. But you can see the vibe. Yeah, this is like my new favorite wig going into 2025, and I haven't even tinted the lace on this one because I want to show you guys that you really don't have to. Like in the front, it would serve us a little bit to go in and add a little bit of powder, but y'all get the point. This one here is on fire. 10 out of 10. I can highly recommend. Give me 10 of them, 20 of them. I could wear this wig literally every day this year and I would be super happy. You could even take this and claw clip it up. You guys seen me do the claw clip in the other part of the video. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that I think it looks gorgeous. Now I'm gonna make my gumbo. I hope you guys loved this tutorial. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. I'll have a direct link and all the details down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.
Nadula.